Let's reveal the secret too. Let's reveal the secret to making an authentic Chana Masala. Here is my authentic recipe for homemade Chana Masala. Take 5 to 6 Kashmiri chilli, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, half spoon of peppercorns, 1 spoon of cumins, 2 spoons of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of kasuri methi, and the spices like 2-inch cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 1 black cardamom. Dry roast all the ingredients for a while and let it cool down and transfer them into a blender jar. Blend into a fine powder. Here is our homemade Chana Masala curry powder. The powder measures around 400 grams of chickpea. Now we are going to make the Chana Masala curry. For the base we need 1 big chopped onion, 1 big tomato, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 3 to 4 green chillies. Take all of them into a pan with 2 spoons of oil. Let it fry well. Let all the contents cook well within the oil itself. Let it cool down and transfer them to a blender jar. Make into a fine paste by adding 2 spoons of cooked chickpeas to make fine texture of the curry. Then get ready the chickpeas. You can make use of either the canned ones or you can make it in your home itself by using the dried one. Soak in water for overnight and keep it in a pressure cooker for 4 to 8 pressure ups and make a soft cooked chickpeas. Now get ready the frying pan with oil, heat it and add 1 spoon turmeric, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon cumin powder. Mix them well, just stir fry them. Now add our homemade curry powder, 2 spoons. Here I am taking 200 grams of chickpea, so I am using only 2 spoons of curry powder. Mix them well to blend all the ingredients and then add our prepared base puree, which is from onion, tomato and all. Mix them well thoroughly. After a minute, add our cooked chickpeas. Mix the contents well. Add 1 cup of water to get the right consistency. Cook the curry in simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the oil floats on the surface of the curry. Add 2 spoons of butter or clarified butter, that is ghee, to make the curry a bit delicious. After 20 minutes, when the curry is about to finish, add half cup of chopped coriander. Add adequate salt for taste. Check the taste of all the spices. Now our Chana Masala is ready to serve. You can serve the Chana Masala with naan or roti. That is a perfect dish with this Chana Masala. In certain regions of India, they are going to serve along with the Bhature, which is made of flour, multi-purpose flour. We call it as maida. Today I am going to share the secret tips to make perfect Bhature recipe with wheat flour. Take around 2 cups of wheat flour. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 spoon of salt, and 3 spoons of yogurt. Yogurt is the perfect replacement for yeast to make a fluffy bhature. Add warm or somewhat hot water to mix this. Add the water intermittently and mix the atta well. Make the dough into soft enough. Please make sure the consistency of dough shouldn't be like chapati. It should be soft enough. To make it soft enough, it will be like somewhat sticky. So add 2 spoons of oil and again mix the batter. When it comes to soft enough, add 1 spoon of oil on top of the batter and close it. Allow it to ferment for about 2 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, check the batter. If it is still sticky, add 1 spoon of dry flour powder. Mix it well. Now divide the batter into small portions. Now take the dough ball into rolling. Roll it slowly. It should be thick enough like paratha and shouldn't be like chapati. Now get into frying. Take frying pan, add 200 ml of oil. Let it get heat. The oil should be on high flame. Now leave the bhature from side, not from the center. You can see that it will become fluffy on both the sides. As it is a thick one, you can give some time to get fry well on both sides. That's it. Our bhature recipe is ready to serve. So as it is Chana Masala and Bhature, you can enjoy it as Chole Bhature. Please try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. If possible, please post a pic of it. Enjoy the recipe. Happy cooking.